Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can post scores to your student of your Microsoft form after getting a response. So first of all of you open Microsoft form in Google Chrome like this. We will get this screen. Suppose this is my question paper MCQ demo 6. I already taken and there's a one response 120 30 whatever else as a demo I am showing you. There is a one response. Clicked on that. In the response tab there are two tabs, question and response tab. Click on this response tab. Here I want to discuss about two options. First of all, click on these three dots and settings. So this is an option for quiz, shows results automatically. By default this is off. It should always remain off. You no need to on this option, because this option is useful only when, suppose if there is a condition just after submission of a form we want to show the result to a student. So we are not doing this. It always remain off. And I am telling you because there is some confusion, because you think we can post the score. I want to tell you we can post the score without on this option. No need for this. So I'm showing you like this. Click on this post score option. You will get a screenshot like this, all the students listed here. So if you want to select all, click on this name, or one by one you can select. So there is a student, you can see his status is graded before posting. As I will post now, you can see, click on this post score option. It will goes, now it is posted 50% marks. So like this you can post the score to a student. It will goes to automatically to a student. Now I'm showing you a student view. Suppose now I am a student. And one more thing I want to tell you, you can download the result in Excel sheet. You click on again response, there is a open in Excel. As you will click on this, you will see bottom left side it is downloaded your result for your future reference. You can keep in your record. So you will see it is opening all the details here like this. You can see on the screen. Yes, this one you can manage. It is opening, sorry, this one. Like this you will get a result for your future reference. You can save this file for your record. So now I'm showing you as a student. Suppose I am a student. How you will see, this is my link. To see his her result, student need to click again on that link. As she will click on their last link which you sent earlier during the exam. That is a student view. You can see on the screen point 1 mark out of 2, which one is correct. So you can see that is incorrect. So like this you can see, student can see this screen, or by this way he can analyze his result. I hope you like this video. Thank you.